am a bird. What? Yes. I am a bird. And I fly because that's what birds do. They fly. I mean, we fly because that's what you gotta do when you have wings. And I have wings.
We're all gonna die.
I am a bird and I fly. I am free to fly where I want. I can kiss the sun or duck beneath the clouds because I'm a bird. And you're a bird too. What? Yes.
I am a bird and I sing songs nobody has heard. Every melody is mine and mine alone because I'm a bird, you're a bird too.
You are not what you think you are. You are not what they say you are. You are all that you wanna be. Be the bird.
I'm a peacock.
Be the
This is stupid. Hey, Nick.
Not now, Theo.
Okay.
Road you're on is suddenly gone, fellas and ladies. When your mind can't think and it's stuck on the plate, listen up, Hades. I've got a cure for any mental ill, feeling insecure when you have free will. I've got a philosophy you can possibly need.
Certainly, sir, I've been feeling mighty sick. Certainly, sir, I need your help and quick. All day long, I've been feeling pretty stuck. If I knew what I got, it'd help me change my life.
Here you are.
I'm cured! I'll take one.
I'll take 5.
Give me all!
And those were the words of the sovereign birds. We hope you've enjoyed our dividend today. And if there's one lesson learned from the wisdom they learned, it's that, oh,
We're rich! We're gonna make a fortune in this place!
forms of the Olympians, but the gods above did not seem fit to rule, and so banished him down here. What Pluto wouldn't give to rule over his own once again.